The Excavator app is built up in a way so the operator has everything in the map view, so all the information he needs for his work is readily available.
I think we can reach the customers who are already using iCON Site and they thought that machine control was too far away for them.
He doesn't really need any previous experience because everything is very intuitive in the software.
I think it's super easy because they can use the same tablet, the CC80 or CC70, that they use for their rover in the machine.